Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You need admin rights and a recent backup first, so create one now and set a restore point. Once done, close active apps and locate the 360 total security icon in the system tray. Right-click it and select Exit or Pause Protection to stop real-time shields. Make sure to disable browser extensions and auto-start entries tied to 360, because uninstall tools often fail if components remain active. This initial stabilization prevents file locks and ensures the uninstaller can remove core files cleanly. You should try the built-in uninstaller first. Open 360 Total Security, go to Settings or App Management and choose Uninstall. If that does not complete, open Control Panel Programs and Features and initiate uninstall or change for 360. Once uninstall attempts run, open Services, MSC, and locate any remaining 360 services. Stop them and set Startup Type to Disabled. Also check Task Manager for 360 processes and End Task. Once processes are gone, delete the installation folder under Program Files to remove residual files. After removing files and services, clean the registry carefully. Open Regedit, export any 360-related keys as a backup, then delete keys under HKLM and HKCU that reference 360 Total Security. Once done, remove leftover folders in %appdata% and %programdata% and empty the recycle bin. Reboot to finalize changes and run a different antivirus scanner to verify no remnants remain. If the program reinstalls or components persist, boot into safe mode and repeat removal steps. That resolves file lock conflicts in most stubborn cases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.